Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make peanut brittle or Chikki or Gajak. Peanut brittle is intensely nutty with gorgeous marbling of jaggery, encouraging crispy bites. It's one of the easiest sweet treats to make yourself. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken a cup of peanuts, a cup of jaggery and a teaspoon of ghee. Now moving to recipe, in a pan I will dry roast peanuts. I have taken a cup of peanuts. Measurement of peanuts and jaggery depends on you, how crunchy you want. Once peanuts are aromatic and cover starts to fall off, at this stage I'll transfer them to a cloth and rub so that the peel falls off. Keep rubbing till all the peanuts are peel free. Finally, the peanuts are going to be like this, and I have dusted off the peels. Now in a pan I heated 1 teaspoon of ghee and added a cup of jaggery. I have grated the jaggery. Keep stirring till it melts. Now an important thing is to find out when jaggery is ready. So in a bowl of cold water or water can be at room temperature also, add a few drops of melted jaggery. It should harden, not soften. So it should not be like this, it should be crunchy in water. So we will keep it on heat for more time and try again after some time. Check if jaggery is ready by chewing the jaggery after putting it in water. Then if it's chewy, that means it's not ready. After a few more minutes on heat, I will try again. I will just dip few droplets in water. So here I'll show you. Yeah, it's hard now, it's crunchy. So this means our jaggery is ready. So at this stage we will add roasted peanuts to it. Mix properly so that all the peanuts are coated with jaggery and let it cook for a few minutes only. Then we will transfer it to a baking sheet, or you can use any greased plate or container. I'm using a baking sheet. Now I'll place one more baking sheet on it and press firmly. I'm using a roller pin. So with the roller pin, I'll just flatten it. Then I'll remove the sheet and try to shape it with a knife. You can shape it the way you want and let it set for almost half an hour. After half an hour, our peanut brittle is ready. Now I'll break it into pieces. While peanuts are an ideal choice for this, these can be replaced with other nuts also. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.